All right, everyone. I'm going to be very transparent with you. I suck at makeup. Don't know how to do it. Lashes, all that. But I saw this on Run Deals and I said, hey, let me give it a try. These are magnetic eyelashes. So let's open it up, see what we look like. All right, everyone, I just want to show you what the lashes look like. As you can see, we have extreme to a more natural look. You have the eyeliners here and also the little tweezers. This is going to be awesome. Let's try it out. Okay, everyone, so the first step is to take the eyeliner and you're going to apply it where you want the lash to go. Like I said, not that great at this. Ooh, kind of everywhere. You okay? All right, and then I'm going to apply it to the other side as well. I don't know if you can hear my daughter. She like, I don't want you to get hurt. Yes, baby. Poking myself in the eye. Okay. So I placed my liner on where it needs to be. Now, like I said, I'm not a lash person, anything like that. I'm going to go ahead and grab the lash, the smallest one, and I'm going to apply it right above my lid. Okay. Wasn't as hard as I thought I was going to be. Move it around a little bit. Okay. Okay. Let's try the next one on. It might look funny, y'all. We'll see. So I'm going to do the other side as well. Okay, so I'm ready to apply the other one. All right, y'all. I went ahead and applied the other one. I had to do it in private. I think they need to be a little bit balanced, a little bit more. But you know, I told you I don't do this. Okay, I got them on. I like the little fullness of it. Ooh, I like it. I got them on a little bit crooked. One of my eyes a little bit lower than the other. But maybe if my friend comes over and do them a little bit better, they'll stick. But it's worth a try, you all. Try them out. Find them on Run Deals.